See how long. You can't zoom.
What?
You can't zoom with this video.
What shitty camera?
Right? It's gotta be like at least 2 minutes long.
Yeah.
Of us just like trying to do it. I want to see how long it'll actually take a video for that. I'm glad we found something to do actually. Hey, you want to hold this? I'm gonna fix that body.
You know it's recording, right?
Yep. Let's see how long it's gonna record. Oh yeah, now it scrapes. And it's seized. Oh. It's seized. Dude, it's seized. It won't. Well, the free go-kart's a piece of shit. Kind of got a low rider frame deal going on here. See here, you got low body kit effect. So it's all Mexicanized. You know, them Mexicans go right for this shit. Sell this on eBay for a good $10,000. Maybe sell it to David's Farm. They buy shit like this. Maybe ramp it off the quarter pipe. Who knows? Find something good to do with it. Drag it with the 7.3. Yep, 7.3 run on veggie oil. #1 in the country, fastest thing on the earth. Let's give her one more try. Come on. You're gonna turn the choke on over here. You're gonna choke it, put it on position. Make sure your flapper's got a lot. It's raining out, so we got some water in there. That's okay. These are those H2O motors. It's all good. But I don't think she's gonna start. I god dang blew her up. Piece of shit. Damn Chevy. At least the body's mint. No exterior rust or anything. You ever seen oh, there's got some fiberglass rust over here. Now these are rare in Iran for like a week. But she's pretty good though. You know, she got the citco symbol. Some fresh slicks on there. High quality performance exhaust. Took the air filter off for better airflow. Put some 93 octane in it. You know, you got damn comfy 10-point harness in there. Nice racing wheel. But yeah, we'll get her started.